heart I still have a dream to see the things that I've never seen.
There's a whole big world through that door,
just waiting for us to explore.
It's not easy, but we have to try to spread our wings and learn to fly. Discovering the beauty of life, uncovering the treasures outside. Far from home, we're not alone. We know our dreams will come true. Sing with me, now's the time to set a new course. You'll find that love is the source. In the end, you'll see dreams can come true.
The magic doorknob. The day has just begun and Tiki is in a rush. Let's find out where he's headed to.
Oh no, I'm late! Sorry, I'm late again.
Tiki, you've been late a lot lately.
I know. I overslept. I promise I'll be on time from now on.
Okay, I believe in you. Go sit down now. All right, children, let's get started.
Your name should be Mr. Late.
If only I could open a door and appear in class. That would be great.
Bye, Tiki. Don't be late tomorrow.
Oh, there's no way I'll be late. Old Billy probably has some food. Old Billy! Huh? I guess he's not here. Huh? How can I be on time? I wonder if old Billy knows a shortcut to the school. I'll just wait here for him to come back. Huh? Wow! This doorknob is so pretty. I'm gonna borrow it for a while. Yahoo! Open sesame! All right! What is this? Where did this door come from? I wonder what's behind the door. This whole thing is weird. The library! Just where I want to be! Huh? Can this door take me anywhere? Oh, I want to go to Africa! Wow! Wow! Yay! Wow! Yo! Yay! Oh! With this doorknob, I can go anywhere.
Where did this snowman come from?
Let's give Tiki a round of applause. He was the first one to arrive today.
Good job, Tiki. Tiki, what time did you get up?
Really early. I can't even remember.
Time for pudding. Yay! Tiki, you coming?
I'll catch up.
Okay, fine. I'm going.
Whoa.
Somehow, Tiki got here before me.
Ah, mm. I've been there and there. Where should I go next? Oh, I haven't read the books up there. Wow, interesting. Oh, and this one too.
La,
Huh?
la, 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 la.
Maybe I'll have some fun. Yup.
My drawing? It was just there.
Yoink.
It's gone! There must be a ghost in here!
Huh?
Luna, the drawings I put up on the wall just disappeared! Come see! Look! Huh? Violet, you're still there. Huh? How did they get back here? I swear, they were both missing before. That's strange.
Oh.
Tiki, was it you who played a trick on Violet today?
Huh? That wasn't me.
Yeah, sure. Hey, what's that?
It's nothing.
Let me see it.
You're too slow.
Tiki, stop it! Tiki, let me see it!
Come and get it then.
Come on, stop! Tiki, wait up! Tiki? Where did Tiki go? That's so weird. I just saw him running this way. How did he disappear?
Oh, hi there. Try and keep up. Bye.
Got you!
Over here. No, here.
Huh? Where? Tiki, come out!
Little Lou. Maybe you should just give it up.
Ow, my head! What is this place?
I don't know, but I can use this doorknob to go anywhere we want.
Huh? The doorknob?
This is a very magical doorknob.
Ah, it was you! You hid the pictures!
I'm sorry.
What do we do now? How do we get out?
This door doesn't work.
Huh?
Neither does this one.
Tiki, slow down!
None of these work. Why won't it work? I think we're stuck. I want to go home.
Tiki!
Luna Lou, are you okay?
I hurt my leg!
I'm sorry, Luna Lou.
It's okay.
How do we get out? The doorknob doesn't work.
Well, can I see it? A golden doorknob.
Huh.
Let's
find a golden door.
Huh? Over there. It's over there. Wow! It looks like this is it.
Huh. I can't get it to turn.
Come on, Tiki. You've got this. Tiki, pull harder. Tiki, are you okay?
Not enough magic.
Huh?
Not enough magic. Not enough magic.
Tiki, looks like we can't go back.
It's It's my fault. I shouldn't have taken so many shortcuts.
Not enough magic.
Huh?
Not enough magic. Not enough
Red
magic.
Tiki?
Take me back!
Tiki, are you all right?
Huh? Yeah! I made it!
Tiki, why are you holding my new doorknob?
I'm sorry, old Billy. I won't play with the magical doorknob again.
Magical doorknob? I just bought this doorknob to replace the old one. Look,
Oh! I was just dreaming.
Tiki, remember to be on time tomorrow.
Oh, Luna Lou! Thank goodness you're okay.
Huh? What's wrong with you? Hi there, friends. Did you see Tiki's mistake? Shortcuts aren't always a good thing. Be sure to work hard and you'll get what you want. See you next time. Bye-bye.